In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 50 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can appear when you try to launch a game through Steam, and instead of your game opening normally, Steam throws an error and prevents the game from starting. The good news is that this problem is usually caused by a small cache issue inside Steam, and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes with a simple cleanup. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to close Steam completely, clear the Steam cache folder, and restart everything so your games can launch properly again. This method is safe, quick, and works for many users experiencing error code 50. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's go ahead and fix Steam error code 50. The first thing we need to do is make sure Steam is completely closed. Sometimes Steam continues running in the background even if the window is closed, and that can prevent the fix from working correctly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look under the Processes tab and find Steam in the list of running applications. When you locate Steam, click on it once to highlight it, then click the End Task button. This will completely close Steam and stop any background Steam processes that might still be running. It's important that Steam is fully closed before we continue to the next step. Now that Steam is closed, the next step is to clear Steam's cache folder. This is where temporary data is stored, and sometimes corrupted files inside this folder can trigger error code 50. Open File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the following location. Go to C:/program files space open bracket x86 closing bracket /Steam. Inside the Steam folder, look for a folder called Appcache. This folder stores temporary data that Steam uses when launching games. Right-click on the Appcache folder and delete it. Don't worry, Steam will automatically recreate this folder the next time it launches, so deleting it will not harm your games or your Steam installation. After deleting the Appcache folder, the next step is to restart your computer. Restarting helps clear any leftover processes and ensures the changes take effect properly. Once your computer boots back up, open Steam again just like you normally would. After Steam launches, try starting the game that previously showed Steam error code 50. In most cases, the game should now launch normally without the error appearing, and that's it. That is how you fix Steam error code 50 by clearing the Steam app cache folder and restarting your system. It's a quick fix that resolves many launch-related issues inside Steam. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.